to my Miss Pac-Man cabinet. A Class of 81 cabinet started making this weird popping noise today out of the blue. And it's just totally random. I couldn't figure out what it was at first. There was just something ticking behind me. And the volume is completely down on 0. I've tried rebooting the machine. It'll go away for a while, and then it'll just randomly come back. And sometimes it's loud, sometimes it's really quiet. It's just weird. Sometimes it'll do it 1 or 2, 3 pops. Sometimes it'll just keep doing it over and over for several seconds, you know, for like, you know, 20 or 30 seconds, and then it'll stop again. But yeah, weird.